Did you know that over 60% of people never invest because they're afraid of losing money or feel like they don't know enough? That's millions missing out on the chance to grow their wealth. But it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know to start investing like a pro, no matter your experience level or budget. Let's dive in. Hi and welcome to our channel, where we simplify money matters to help you achieve your financial goals. Investing isn't just for Wall Street experts. It's for anyone who wants to grow their wealth and secure their future. And the best part? You can start today, no matter your budget or experience level. Here's the truth. Many people avoid investing because they're afraid of making mistakes or don't know where to begin. Maybe you're thinking, what if I lose money, or it's too complicated for me? Sound familiar? Don't worry. We're here to break it all down and show you that investing is easier than you think. Let's start by addressing the basics. There are three main types of investments you'll likely encounter when starting your journey. Let's break them down. Stocks. These are shares in a company. So when you buy stocks, you own a part of that business. Stocks can offer higher potential for growth, but with that comes more risk. Bonds. When you invest in bonds, you're essentially lending money to a company or the government. They tend to be safer than stocks, but their returns are also slower. Bonds are a more stable investment, ideal for those seeking less volatility. Real estate. Owning property can provide steady income through rent or property value appreciation. Real estate can be a great way to build wealth, but it also requires a significant upfront investment and comes with its own set of challenges. The key to investing is finding the right balance of risk and reward. You don't need to go all in on one option. A balanced portfolio, combining stocks, bonds, and real estate, will give you growth while reducing your overall risk. Let's take a look at a real-life example. Meet Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors. But did you know he started investing when he was just 11 years old? He bought his first stock for $38 per share, and even though he didn't have a lot of money at the time, he was consistent and learned as he went. Today, his net worth is over $100 billion. Warren Buffett didn't start with millions. He started small and learned through experience. That's the power of investing. Time and consistency can turn even small investments into massive wealth. Now let's break down how you can start your own investment journey, even if you're just getting started. The first thing you need to do is educate yourself. There are many platforms, books, and courses out there, but let's talk about the basics of investing that can get you started today. Start by choosing the right account. You can open a brokerage account, a retirement account like an IRA, or a simple investment app. If you're starting with a smaller amount of money, apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Stash can help you get your feet wet with fractional shares, meaning you don't need thousands of dollars to begin. The key here is to start small and stay consistent. Even putting aside $50 or $100 a month can build over time. But the most important thing is to get started. Here are 3 tips to help you get started today. Start with what you can afford. Don't wait until you have a large sum of money. Even small amounts like $50 per month can add up over time. Automate your investments. Set up automatic transfers to your investment account. This will help you stay consistent without thinking about it each month. Reinvest your earnings. When your investments earn dividends or interest, reinvest them. This allows you to take advantage of compound growth. Your money making more money. Now picture this. What if you had $500 right now? It could be the key to kickstarting your investment journey today. With just a few smart moves, that extra money could grow into something much more significant over time. And the best part? There are simple ways to start saving right away. I'll put together practical tips in another video to help you save $500 quickly. Money you can then put towards building your wealth. It's all about making small changes that lead to big results. Once you've saved up, you'll have the resources to start investing confidently. So if you're ready to make that first move and use your $500 to begin your investment journey, go ahead and check out that video right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips to help you grow your wealth. I'll see you in the next video.